Ready for a blast from the past? This week we're making the Shirley Temple Margarita. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making the Shirley Temple Margarita.
Alright, let's do it.
And I'm going to start out with some lime. We're going to squeeze this until we get half of a shot.
There we go.
Alright. And we're going to put that in the shaker. And now we're going to squeeze half of a lemon. Looks like about half of a shot of lemon. Put that in there.
We're going to do 2 shots of El Imador Reposado tequila.
And then a shot of simple syrup.
Now that brings us to the
we can shake. And you can do the pleasure.
Dude.
Sweet mother of pearl. Don't do that at home.
Okay, we're going to want to fill up to about halfway. Boom. And then we're going to bring in the Sprite. And this is what makes it a Shirley Temple, of course. Going all the way up.
Not really. It's the grenadine. And we're going to add the grenadine.
Gonna pour a little in. It's about half a shot.
Gorgeous. And we're going to put some cherries on top.
On our bamboo stick.
Bamboo stick. Put it on top. Garnish it with a lime. Voila. That is the Shirley Temple Margarita.
Yeah. Now let's give it a shot. Here we go, man.
Delicious.
That is really good. That's refreshing.
And if you have any ideas for our next video, please comment down below and like and subscribe. And we'll see you next week with a new drink. Hope you like this one. Let us know if you don't or if you do.
Yeah. All right.
See you later.
See you next week.